Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and today we're going to try and do another hummingbird feeder. This one is with a square bottle. I do not know if this is going to work or not, but hey, we're going to give it a try. As one old saying is, I may be glutton for punishment. So I'm wrapping this. I've got some aluminum wire here. Y'all have seen me use it probably in other videos, or if not, we've made another bird feeder. We've made bird swings. I picked these up from Amazon, the little bottle feeders. I'll leave a link down in the video, in the description of the video, rather. And this aluminum wire here I got from Amazon. Let me pull y'all down. I'm so sorry. I get excited and talking and forget. Now, I'm using some needle nose pliers here. I'm holding that tip while I'm just going around mashing here. Okay, then we're gonna, now this one may not work, but hey, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try. So what I was kind of had a reservation about was on the last bottle that I made, it had a lip up here. Now I've got the Gorilla Glue over here if I need it. I may not need it, y'all, but I've got it out just in case. And I think what we're going to do is stop right there. And this wire is not hard to bend at all. Okay. And I'm going to take this wire. I mean, see, you can almost tie it like a bow, like a, let's see. Let me get this little tool here, just so I can, I want it tight, but I need it to lift it just a little bit. Here we go. To get that under there just like that. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to tie these two. See, I've wrapped it twice right here. Zoom in as much as I can so y'all can see as good as possible. So I want it wrapped right here. I like this wire, y'all. It's just so, I want to say soft wire, but what wire is soft, right? Okay, so to keep it from sliding all the way up, I've got a scrap piece here. I'm going to slide up under here and slide it. Just like that. Okay, so I'm going to bring this down. I'll bring it where I can twist it. That's what we're going to do. trying to get wire wrapped around tying it next to a bottle is just kind of fun, right? Okay, let me tilt this little tip down. So I've got that tip turned down so it doesn't poke a bird or anything like that. All right, I'm going to trim this, and then I'm going to turn it over and poke it up under like that. It's a nice little knot. Got y'all zoomed in so close, but I do want y'all to be able to see. So now what I'm going to do, y'all, I like this. I'm going to try and put this, there we go. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-ling. We got it. All right. See, I'm just turning it up under there. Making a nice little loop. All right. All right, so let's go up here. Y'all know I like making these little loops. We may actually leave that one like that just to be a little different. Usually I turn them up the other way, but this one I think we're going to leave like that. How cute. All right, now we're going to get this little, now I got this little tool at the Dollar Tree, I believe. And I'm just sliding it up under this wire. I'm glad it is snug. There we go. Give it some character. Kind of shape it. Any way you want to. All right, let's trim this a little bit. And turn that. I love it. I love it as much as I do the red one. Did y'all see the red one we made? The red one's pretty too. But I love this because it's just different. And I wasn't sure how this was not going to keep from coming up. But look, it is tight. So I love this aluminum wire, y'all. So get you some aluminum wire. I have one of our, get tongue-tied here, one of our little swings. Y'all go check out that video. We made covers to go over your hummingbird feeders that will help attract other hummingbirds, or more hummingbirds, may I say. I learned that from John Ray's Birds. He's here on YouTube. Go check out his channel. If you like any kind of birds, he's got all kind of birds, y'all. I call him the Bird Whisperer. He's amazing. Go check out his channel. He's the one that showed us the idea to make the covers that go over the hummingbird feeders. And he does an amazing job. He makes the glass ones. He shows you how he paints them with this like an iridescent paint. They're beautiful. You have to go check out his channel. I'll put the link to his channel in the description of this video also. I will, and let me finish this. Y'all look, I'm running my mouth and I haven't finished. This little attachment goes in just like this. Please make your own hummingbird nectar. It's 4 cups of water. It's 1 cup of granulated, just regular sugar. Let it stir it until it dissolves and feed that to your birds. They love it. The red dye in the store-bought nectar harms the little red bird, y'all, I'm tongue-tied today. I am so sorry. The little hummingbirds. So, and not everybody knows that. So, please make your own nectar. I will show y'all a little clip of this hanging out with my hummingbirds. And y'all go check out the video. I made the covers for the hummingbird feeders to attract more hummingbirds. Check out John Ray's birds. He's the one I got the idea from. So I wanted to give him a shout out. I'll put the link to his video down in the description of my video. But go check him out. Look for my video with the little swing for the hummingbirds. They need a swing too. So thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, just an update on our hanging bottle hummingbird feeders. On these, when I first put them on, they were spraying out. What I would recommend is like pulling them so they're facing up a little bit, because this little stopper feeder will come off. So tilt it up so that all your nectar doesn't come out. Same way on this one. I just tilted them up to keep them from spraying out. So just a little tip there if y'all decide to get these. I like them, but I wish they were better at dripping out. This one I'm going to have to tip up a little bit taller, or slightly. See how you can kind of tilt them. Do them just like that so that all your nectar don't fall out or drain out. There we go. Maybe that one's fixed now. Okay, day 2, and we still have our nectar in our bottle feeder. So I think by turning that little nozzle up helps. Day 3, and we still have our nectar in there. So a few drops may be leaking out, but not very fast.